Hi, it's Matt with 911R. We have the 77 911S that we have on Brain Trailer right now. I just want to do a walk around to kind of talk about some of the stuff about the car. The car shows less than 50,000 miles. It's been the same owner since 1988. It's been in a private collection and been really well taken care of. This car is triple black. The paint on the car is really nice all the way around. I think only a little bit of the car has been painted. On the paint mirror, everything's in the 7s and 8s, except for that fender was slightly thicker. But everything else on the paint looks really, really nice and sharp on it. It does have the appearance package on it, which is the lower valance in the front and the fog lights. And it does have the H4 headlights. Coming around the sides, we can see it has polished with exposed pedal Fuchs wheels on it, 7s and 8s on it. On the inside, you have the Sport Throne leather seats, are fabulous condition. 930S steering wheel. You got cocoa mats. You know, everything interior is quite sharp in it. Car has a short shift kit in it. Also, it has a custom short ratio gearbox in the car. I believe it was done by Rossport. I don't have a receipt to verify that, but I believe that's who did it. On the engine, it has SSI exhaust and a sport muffler as well. It's been fully serviced and tuned up. Open air filter airbox cover on it. You know, Porsche classic oil filter. I mean, everything was been really well taken care of nicely on this car. The guy painted the calipers red. He did another cool little touch. He did the, I'll call it the Magnus Walker style door handles. Plus we have a set of the stock door handles that come with it. The car does come with some nice stock parts. It comes with original thermal reactors, original heat exchangers, and a few other things that come with the car. But yeah, as you can see, the car is just really in nice shape. The paint is really good on it. There is one thin spot, I believe it's right here on the quarter panel. But besides that, it's quite good. What I really like about this car, you can tell the car's been always stored inside, is the blue and the black blue anodizing on the window trim is near perfect. You just never see the anodized trim like this. Usually it's all been faded out or somebody's got a hold of it and spray painted or something. That's quite beautiful to see on it. The sunroof seals are perfect in it. Sunroof works great. Just coming all around, the windshield is perfect in it. Not much to fault this car. Drive quality of it, and there's nothing like the narrow-bodied, G-bodied 911s. They look so sharp, in my opinion. Any questions, let me know. Happy to help out. If you need a shipping quote, use the contact seller button, or any other questions, use the contact seller button. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, please reach out as well. Thank you very much.